I'm Jonathan Chalker. I'm the Vice President of Client Experience. I work for Jackson Hewitt. Jackson Hewitt's core product is tax preparation services. We're the second largest tax preparation service in the country. We replaced a previous system. The previous system we had was a little flat. I wouldn't call it a community, and I wouldn't necessarily say it was even a knowledge sharing platform. And we love how engaging Bloomfire is. We really utilize it in a way to touch lots of different parts of our company. It's definitely starting to bring a lot of the departments closer together because they've been doing things in very different ways. They all have their sort of platforms of choice, and sometimes platforms that weren't their choice. And so as they're getting their hands on Bloomfire, they're starting to ask questions. They're starting to say, hey, what's that all about? Is that something I can use in my area? Hey, I want to tell you what I do. Tell me if you feel like this is a good fit. So now we're actually learning more about how people work and what their needs are throughout the organization. And so that does bring us closer together, just that we're trading our experiences. So with Bloomfire, we're able to tailor our content in a way that is compelling to them to respond, to their client with a more human approach. So they're not just digesting answers. It's, hey, here's the thing we're trying to communicate, but here's also how I'm looking for you to communicate it, so that the client is connecting with you and you're connecting with your client.